Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I'm on the nursery today checking out our crops of tomato plants, which are just the perfect stage we'll be sending to you soon. Ends to late May, right through June, you can plant these outside in the garden because the frosts are now finishing, or you can put them in a greenhouse. We're a bit sticklers here for quality, so really nice quality plants come to you. We've done all the hard work. We've done the seeds, start those off in little baby plug plants, and then we grow them on in these pots. So at the point they arrive to you, they're full of vigour, ready to just race away in your garden, and within weeks they can be producing the fruit. We've got an amazing array of varieties. You've obviously got your traditional salad tomatoes, but we've got the cherry tomatoes, the plum tomatoes, baby plum tomatoes, giant beefsteak tomatoes. You've got so many uses of the tomato. It's everything from the pizza base to, of course, your salad, maybe sliced up with some mozzarella cheese even, or even mixed in with, your pasta sauces, bologneses. It is obviously very much an Italian cuisine, of course, but the humble cheese and tomato sandwich, let's give that a mention. We've got all the varieties here you could possibly want, and you can mix it up with the ones we've got. Not just your plain normal red tomato, oh no, we've got the heirlooms as well. We've even got a black tomato. We've got one that looks like a lemon. The tastes and flavours are something you will not buy in the shops, but they are all absolutely delicious. The shops, to be fair, have done a good job in improving the quality and flavours and all the vine ripened varieties they've got, but it just does not compare to the fresh tomatoes you can pick from your garden. Plus you've got the satisfaction of growing your own. You know where they've come from. They're healthy plants. You can have them practically organic from your own garden, keep them well fed, keep them well watered, and you're going to have bountiful crops. You can get several kilos of fruit from one plant if you look after it well, and that's going to save you a fortune on shop bought prices. I bought, I think it was a 200 gram punnet recently, and that was nearly £2. So you multiply that up by the kilos you can get from one plant alone. Not only the satisfaction of healthy, air mile free fruit, not covered in sprays because you don't know what they've done abroad, but here in your own garden, organic, fresh, healthy, delicious, tasty, versatile fruit. You've got all the convenience of our tomato plants being delivered to your door, ready to be planted in the garden. We've done the hard work for you. All you've literally got to do is put these in the ground, look after them, a little bit of TLC each week, and you're going to have huge crops. Great value for money too. Plants are from just 99p. Check out the full range, there's hundreds of varieties. Remember, all delivered to your door. What could be more convenient? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.